This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ted Mosley. New roof to be installed prior to closing. This is the perfect opportunity to own in the much sought after Buena Ventura Lakes community with no HOA. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home features a split plan with an extra 1/4 bathroom in the hallway and a finished office area. The kitchen was just remodeled with new cabinets installed. The rear of the property is fenced with a conservation area directly behind it. You will absolutely love the stone accents in the entryway, living room, and primary suite. This home is also pretty darn smart. Fully wired with exterior security cameras around the outside of the home, smart lighting, smart thermostat, and even a smart water heater to remotely control on and off times, and your power bill. If storage and workspace are your focus, the garage has plenty of built-ins and the attic space over the garage is fully floored. A new 8x10 shed holds all of your outside tools. The property is fully fenced with a double-wide opening to store your toys. There is a freshly screened porch and a beautiful paved area for enjoying the outdoors. 4-bedroom homes don't often come up in this neighborhood, and when you factor in the new roof, they certainly don't come up at this price. For more information, review the details below or contact Ted Mosley at 407-406-5300.